Hi there, and welcome to the Marketing Communications Plan Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive marketing communications plan. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage 1, strategic direction. Here, we start with your marketing strategy review and then move on to an environmental assessment. In stage 2, we focus on the Marcom plan audience. And here, in step number 1, it's all about audience identification and then developing personas. In stage 3, we focus on the Marcom plan objectives, starting with your marketing strategy objectives, determining your Marcom objectives, and then ultimately stating your Marcom objectives in our worksheet. In stage number 4, we focus on message creation. And here, the first step is your primary message, followed by message refinement, and then ultimately, in step 3, we test those messages. In stage 5, we move into channel selection. And here, your first step is the channel evaluation and selection, followed by your events, social media, public relations, web and online, mobile, advertising, and lead generation. And lastly, in stage 6, we move into budget and measurement. And here, we start with your Marcom budget, then your Marcom calendar, and lastly, we have your Marcom dashboard. Remember that you can access all of these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Marcom Plan Framework. Succeed with marketing communications by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.